Hello everyone, welcome back to my gallery. There's an old expression that a picture is worth 1,000 words. In this particular segment, it's actually going to be three related videos. We're going to highlight three outstanding and notorious pieces of pottery that have been published in very well-known books. And for most of us, we've only seen the pictures. They don't do the real pottery justice, and we'll talk about that in regards to each of the pieces of ceramic. We'll begin with these first two. The piece on my right, an Acoma Pueblo olla, audaciously decorated with 17, count them, maybe I've counted wrong, but I'm coming up with 17 birds. I've never seen an old water jar, turn of the century water jar with 17 birds. The other, a simply beautiful pre-1910 Hopi piece by the great pottery master and matriarch Nampeyo. Now, both of these pieces of pottery were illustrated in a book called Generations of Clay, which highlighted many items from the Charles Benton collection of Chicago. However, the illustrated pieces, which you'll see on the video, the pictures in the book, were in black and white. And what failed to emerge, and let's start with the Acoma in this segment, was how the pottery has, first of all, beautiful, beautiful surface, much handling, and potentially some very, very limited wear, but a lot of handling, a lot of patina. My guess is a lot of work was done on this pot, and probably more than we would expect from a piece that had been a train station tourist item. My guess that this might have been a special occasion piece of pottery, just due to all the magnificent work that was done. A wedding gift to a Pueblo woman, something of the sort, which might account for just how much handling the pot has had. Yet on the inside, I don't see much in the way of signs of water wear. The other thing that's apparent when we see this pot finally in real life is that each of these birds, while related, have their own personality. The pigmentation differs, the number of dots that circle the eyes and the heart, the feathers, everything differs. There's a wonderful motif that continues throughout this pot of parallel lines. They serve in this midsection to form a framing device and separate the birds. They do the same in the neck, but also then become part of an extra fancification of the tail feathers. This is simply a delightful, beautiful piece of pottery, and I'm so happy to have finally seen it because the other part of it we never could have gotten from the illustration in the book was it was potted by a master. Thin, light, beautiful, wonderful. A masterwork filled with whimsy and fun.